the bowlers getting some movement earlier on. Straight away. Off the mark.
Get the single, all the fielders up in the circle.
Shot. Shot.
And then he has just smashed that through the offside. It's well played. That's the kind of player that he is.
And he will keep hitting boundaries. He just makes it look so easy, effortless.
Minimal foot movement, but look where he's hit the ball. He's made sure the ball's gone right under his eyes, and then just opens the face to get it through the gap.
Wow, that was hit hard. Good that Edward got his boot away.
Insult to injury. He's come around the wicket because a bit of width from the two deliveries he's bowled from over, been dispersed through the offside. This is too full and straight. And back past the bowler.
Entices a big shot. Does it have the distance?
The fielder saw it late. He started running later. This was a big opportunity. Went begging. Just look at that.
And he goes for it once more. Nails it better this time. Flies all the way for 6. That's a fine stroke. Terrific shot.
It was right from the middle of the bat. It was in the arc this time. Not a very good delivery. But you understand he wants to go full. He wants to use that slip fielder.
Way too short. And in the gap.
It's not an easy shot to play off the back foot. Flat 6. Straight down the ground. One of the shots that require most power.
It's even that is such a good shot because he lets it spin and then he uses his hands. Picked up, and this will just race away for his second 50 in this Pakistan Junior League. 50 comes up off 31 deliveries, 5 fours and 2 6. He looks a promising young batter.
Easy pickings. You got that fine leg in the circle. Why would you bowl that? Just flicked it over that fielder, the tallest man in the league. Even he could get a hand to it.
Oh, he just gets rid of that left leg and another boundary. You can see that George Thomas wants this game done and dusted as quickly as possible.
And this is no different. Even the first ball with the fine leg up, he bowled it on the legs, and this was easy pickings once again.
I just like his setup.
In the air, but away from the fielders. Gone with the slow ball. And he gets the results. That's a wicket, another one.
It's the slow ball. And just held on the surface. George Thomas threw the shot before the ball's there. The Mardan Warriors. He's played well, 58 and 39. Mardan 118 for 4.